Night to the back.
Yo, what's up guys? LT1 Francisco. First off, I want to apologize for being MIA for the past month or so. Honestly, I've been busy with school. I've been busy a little bit with work, to be honest, and I've been like in a content slump, I guess. I can't figure out what kind of shit to post out anymore. It kind of sucks because I had all these ideas in the beginning. I think I kind of just like do all those ideas within the first weeks I was starting my channel, and now I'm kind of like, well, what the fuck do I put out? Second, any further mod video I have going for my car will be put on hold. Again, I'm in another slump right now where I have to focus on other things, and I have those mods on hold. I still have them, probably won't get them installed until further in the future. I can't give an exact time, but for sure somewhere along the lines of like maybe next year, 2021, to be honest. That's my best estimation. And third of all, thank you for at least still watching my videos. I know my views have been going up a little here and there from the other videos I have. You guys are sharing my content. If people are picking it up here and there, you know, thank you. Even with my hiatus, I haven't been like that active, but I really appreciate whoever's been sending my stuff or sharing my stuff, or even just here and there with my stuff. I don't care. I'm still getting views. That's good. Whatever. I want more, but I need to put effort on my part. And this video is basically an update for my viewers. And to be honest, I really want to be more active, and I think I found a way on how to be more active. The past 2 days, I was changing my sister's brake pads in our car, and when we were doing that, I don't know where she went, but the fucking lug nuts on her car were like bolted the fuck on there, and we were trying to take them out. You know, we broke them, trying to take them out with the fucking impact. They fucking broke off. So, you know, we had to go fucking buy the wheel studs, replace them. Again, I didn't know how to do that shit. I had to ask my dad to help me out with this because I don't fucking know. So he guided me on how to do it, and I was like, oh, cool. Guess what? I learned how to do something. And yesterday, I did the other side, and same thing happened. 2 were bad, so I replaced 2 more on the other side. And I was snapping my boys on our group chat the process of what I was doing, and they were like, why don't you make this into a YouTube video? Or like, that's YouTube content. And I was like, well, fuck, if I had a fucking camera guy or a stand, I would have done it. I had this little tripod shit. It's like a pistol grip gun where you flip it around. It's a fucking tripod, but I didn't think of it, to be honest. I wasn't thinking of that happening when I was gonna change the brake pad. Legit just thought, I'm gonna change the brake pads and I'm good. Nothing to it. Easy. And I think I'm gonna start making little videos like that. You know, if I have little videos, I should say, if I have like little things to do like that. For example, let's say one of my friends hit me up for me to change their brake pads. I'll for sure will make that into a video on how to change the brake pad on that particular car. Or if it's not the brake pads, let's say they just want me to install an air intake. It's not hard, but let's say they don't know and I do it for them. That's fine. Just little small things like that. I really don't mind with the type of situation it is, just as long as it's not electrical, because I don't fucking know shit of electrical. I'm learning in school. We're right now in electrical in school, and I'm still learning. That shit's kind of confusing. It's kind of tough, but I think I'm getting the hang of it here and there. I need more practice for sure. I know my dad also mentioned to me that on his old Ford truck, he wants to check out the brake on one of the rear tires because it doesn't brake. Not the rear tires, the rear, because it doesn't brake at all. So I think he wants to replace that or check it out and replace it. I think I'll make a video out of that. You know, it's gonna be more of a, you know, I'll try to give my best explanation of what he's telling me, and then I'll try to do, for sure I'll record the whole process of us just trying to break it down and everything. It's not gonna be a full video like this. It'll probably be like in a fast motion time lapse video. I'll slow it down a bit just so y'all could see what the fuck's going on. And but I'm thinking maybe that could be added on into this channel. Probably make like another playlist, like a how-tos, and with the other playlist of life outside the Maro. Hopefully me and my girl could go take a trip sometime soon. I know she brought up that she wanted to go, I forgot where, but she brought it up, and I was like, yeah, I'm down. Like, let's go hit it up for the weekend, like, for sure. Like, I know on Fridays, well, actually, no, we can't do Fridays because I work. Saturdays, I could do Saturdays. Once I'm out of work, we can head out. Boom, we're there for Sunday. We leave Sunday night, and we're here. So I'm pretty sure I could do that as well, just depending what or where she wants to go. But like as I'm trying to say, any videos regarding my car will have to be put on hold as long as, well, not really. Maybe performance mods are going to be put on hold, but maybe like what's that shit called? Exterior mods. There we go. Exterior, interior mods. I know I recently sold my smoked headlights, and I bought another set of headlights, which hopefully I get next week or the week after. I'll do a video of that too. Of the install. I'll do the install video. For sure. I just need, like I said, I need to find something to where I could like fucking record good and not have any trouble. If not, I'll have someone, like my girlfriend, help me record. Fuck it. I'll make it happen. I have that. I know I'm gonna need to buy a lip because my fucking dumbass went a little bit too close to a curve that was pretty high, and I heard it was like, and I was like, fuck me. Luckily it was just the lip. Like, I'm glad it was just the lip and not the whole fucking bumper. The lip is replaceable, like, by itself. So trying to buy at least the OEM or the one that looks like it, whatever you guys want to call it, lip. But so far, the 3 places that I've looked at that have them, they're out of stock. But the one website has that lip listed at $269, and they also have a ZL1 lip listed at $269. So I'm like, what if I get the ZL1 style lip? I'm thinking about it. I have to see. Like I said, I need a limit, have a limit or a budget on that. But I know there's another place where I saw it as well. But maybe stuff like that, those type of mods, decals, whatever. Those type of mods, maybe I could do little videos here and there. It's not gonna be the most or the best. Not gonna be a lot, I should say, of videos like that. But I know I have the tail light video, the lip video, and any how-to videos. I got that going on, at least for ideas so far. And well, I don't want to take too much time off y'all, or to whoever's even watching this, to be honest. But yeah, hopefully there's some videos to come, and hopefully you guys can still be a part of this. I do appreciate y'all. At least if you guys have the notifications posted where you guys can receive the videos I post out, thank you. If not, please do so. I will have videos coming out soon. Hopefully, like by the next month, I'll have that tail light video out. I'll make that tail light video. I'll post it out by next month. Hopefully everything goes good. Hopefully we all have a great rest of the year. And you know, we're gonna make something happen. I'll hit up my boys, hit up my friends, and see what we gotta do. Hit up my boy Villain, hit up my boy Gabe, my boy Andy. We gotta see what's up and just collab on some shit. You need some content. Y'all need content. Let's make something happen. Like I said again, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos.